Hi. Which is the most important resource for you? Which is the most important resource? It is time. Time is the most important resource for every human being because it is highly limited. You don't have unlimited supply. It is limited for a particular task also. How can you use your time wisely? Think about it. There are two areas on which time can be used. The first one is action time. The second one is waiting time. Action time is you are taking action on the activity. You are active. Waiting time is the passive time. You are just observing or learning, or you are planning what to do next. There is waiting time and action time. How are you going to use this waiting time and passing time? Most of the people perform well in action time as they are capable of. So the performance just depends on their capability. But the waiting time, people involve in various activities because it is passive. And people tend to go to negative attitudes during this waiting time. For example, if you are waiting for a bus, you can become highly negative because the bus is not coming. Or you can be positive and involved in some other activities, doing something positive and making your mind positive. So keeping your mind positive throughout the journey is essential in achieving higher goals. So keep your passive time or waiting time with positive thinking and positive thoughts and positive ideas. That is the secret which helps you to perform well during the action time. Because if you are positive during the waiting time, you can perform well in the action time. That's the formula. My dear students, examinations are coming. And this is action time for you. But when you get waiting time, beware of filling your mind with the positive, inspiring thoughts and ideas so that you can perform well during the action time.